As for my means, ngigezile tandana. Ngoba ntolwa, I know ukuthi ntolwa. So vele siyithele la. Yanadi phela nini. Yana. Hey mina what? Ngicabanga ukuthi iningi kakhulu. So I'm going to use this one, Legacy Spice. Not too much. But then this one as well. Not too much. Because I'm not a fan of salt. And then this one. Just a bit a bit of black pepper. The reason is because I want to give this a mix, a nice mix. Okay. Cause yo, ayingeke bafethu. Nale ngafune khona as if ngathi le tinto lesitenda la. Nini le makhayikini antenti. Why ngiphile ngathi nini ma saint nini? Kuba uma singaya la nihlala khona. Hey Mark, what? Hey Mark, Mwana. That's why I'm always quiet because ngiyanat ukuthi anikho perfect. Okay, my cameraman, you can cut for now.